they are both ghost stories. One is a comedy, the other one is more like a pure ghost story. It's openly a ghost story. But the way I've always seen it that is as it's as a ghost story, where all of, you know, it's more like filmmakers who awaken the ghost of that character of Irma Vep, and it's really like an invasion of the body snatchers. I mean, like the character of Irma Vep invades every character one by one. The movies I had in mind at the time, you know, because everybody asked me the question about François Truffaut's Day for Night, because, you know, obviously in terms of French cinema, that's the reference and so on and so forth, which was not an influence, not really an influence, you know, in the sense that the film world that Truffaut depicts is very far from my experience of cinema. You know, it's about movies that were made at another age. But I felt more concerned by a Fassbinder movie called Beware the Holy Whore, which is about the shoot of an indie film. In a certain way, there's something very real about it, how things are falling apart. I mean, how the inner logic of filmmaking has become something that's much looser than it was at the time of the studios, like Truffaut. And another movie that also I found interesting in terms of representing the process of filmmaking, it's an Abel Ferrara movie called Snake Eyes, which is very uneven but has great moments, and there's something about it that was modern, you know, that dealt with the issues of making movies in the modern indie circuit.